Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into your employer's account in the Indeed app. Accessing your employer account allows you to manage job posting, view candidate applications, and streamline your hiring process. So, let's get started on how to log into your employer's account in the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Once you're in the app, you will see the interface. Look for the sign in option and tap on it. To log in, you must have previously created an employer account. Indeed has two types of account, one for job seekers and one for employers. Ensure you have created your employer account to post jobs and hire candidates. Use the same credentials you used to create your employer account. For instance, I created my employer account using my Google account. So, I will tap on the Continue with Google option. Select the account you used to create your employer account. And that's how you can log into employer's account in Indeed app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.